place.
After 30 years of teaching, I hear the comment that Hillary made about corporations and businesses not creating jobs. And it occurs to me that there's been a deliberate dumbing down
Yeah,
over
absolutely.
the last 30 years that I have seen. People do not, in this crowd here, we understand why that's nonsense. But we got people in Waters' world who don't know who Joe Biden is.
I get it. They've monopolized the narrative to even where the greatest generation accepted Social Security.
But what
Before
I'm
my-
saying,
go
we're
ahead.
going to have to do what they do.
They were in the Great
We have to
Depression.
create crazy and cartoon characters and all the jingles and stuff to get in on that level and educate the public, because if they don't understand what you're doing, if they don't understand why it's important, all of this is for nothing.
Yeah, communication is the big thing. You know, will you be hiring experts to help you develop a narrative to present to people?
I would love to hire experts. I would love to have involvement with the large grassroots, do case studies. I would love to have the luxury and time to do anything and everything I can do.
Okay, but I'm just thinking the Democrats have a large organization there. They have a large apparatus that's going to fight this tooth and nail.
Somebody said something about a crisis. I truly believe, because it's happened here before, that the next crisis that puts this nation into, no food in the pot, or, imminent threat of, or whatever it is, they'll say, you know what, we're calling for martial law and suspending the Constitution. It's been done before.
But they're going to say we're racist and it's our fault.
My point is, how much time do you think, and how far away are we from them being able to do this?
Not very far.
So, again, I would love to take all the time, and I may be wasting a lot of my, money, but I'm hoping that other people can realize that this is the only opportunity, because I can tell you the elections won't change anything. I can tell you that even if we had an Article 5 convention, it won't change anything. If we take it to the Supreme Court, it won't change anything. The only thing that will change something is when we unleash the power of the Republic that Madison saw geniusly. He saw that would actually protect us in these days.
But to have an organization, for example, to have
Sure.
state captains, somebody who would have an organization against them to go out and do things like that, I think that's something that needs to be formed to be able to, push this forward from a grassroots and stuff. So are you willing to delegate?
Absolutely. As a matter of fact, I told Doug, as soon as we get some movement going, if I could wash my hands of this and go back to doing the engineering things or whatever I can do that I would find pleasure in, I could write books about leadership.